guys, welcome to our channel. You are watching Jasmine and Bianca. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching.
Hi guys, so Jasmine and Bianca now is digging the sand because Jasmine want to planting the magic seeds. Am I right, honey?
Yes. And it's actually from my teacher from school. My teacher gave us. My head
This
teacher.
is it. Tarang! Oh my God! This is magic bean. It look like huge long beans, and I also don't know what
Like
kind.
like it grows up like
And look at in the back. Oh my God! It's got a horse on the back. So it's called magic bean. So let's see when after the seeds grow. So let's find out.
I'm done.
Oh, may I see your seeds? May I see your sand? Oh, so we're gonna put first some water and be planting this. Okay, let's go.
I want to play here.
Okay, you can arrange here. Not there, not there. Bea, I need a water, honey. Water.
Me. Oh man, I want to do
Open. I think that's not enough.
Can I do it?
Okay,
Can I
let
hold the
mommy
shovel?
spray. Get mommy. Put the shovel there. You're gonna use later. Wow. Wow. Okay, wait first. Did you see? Because I put the hole just now on the back. So that's the purpose. So that when you put the water, it will drain the water and will not stuck in the cup. Okay? So chichi plant.
Hey!
Just inside. Put down. Is maybe near in center. Near center. Just dig. Dig more. Where is it?
It's inside.
Really? And spray a water. A little bit water. So this is our day 1, right?
Yeah, day one.
Okay, so teacher C capture the progress. So this time is our day 1. So I'm gonna take photos of the day 1. Wait first, excuse me, the shovel. Also, this is our. Excuse me, I think that's enough.
Okay.
Okay, so your foot. Day 1. All right.